Hey y'all, sometimes when I bake chocolate chip cookies, I want to bag them up individually. And I think I started this during COVID when we were all worried about everything being individually wrapped, but everybody liked it so much, I've just stuck with it. And so I want to show you, these are the little wrappers that I order, and I've ordered from Amazon, and I've also ordered them from other companies, but Amazon's probably the best deal. And this package is open, so I'll show you this one. But these are, I think, the 4x6. These are the 4x6, and you can get them in like a 3x5 or a bigger size, but it's got a little peel-off tab right up here. So what you do is you just put your cookie in, and I put the front of the cookie facing the front of the bag, and then I just fold it over like that, and it's got a self-seal stick. You're gonna pull the little sticky off the back. And then I will put them in cute boxes. I'll try to put a picture in the comments of where I've done them for college kids and their school colors. I put the little shredded paper in there, filler paper, that's their college colors and all of that. And it's just fun. It's just, it's not a big deal, but kids seem to like it especially, and it's good for gifts and good to when you want to box cookies up. I've shipped cookies with these a lot. Every time I ship cookies, they're absolutely wrapped in these. So it's just a handy little tool, and I want to say like maybe 200 is like $6 or $7. I can't remember right offhand, but if you'll just put cookie sleeves or cookie wrappers in Amazon, I'll try to put the link in the comments if I can find it. That's probably the best way to do. Thank you for joining me. I appreciate it. Bye-bye.